Hello everyone. Today I will be presenting on information retrieval in healthcare. This is the field that's transforming how medical professionals access and use the data. Over the next 15 minutes, I'm going to discuss about what is IR, why it is vital in healthcare system, and its applications, techniques, and challenges. And we'll wrap this up with a small demo with the example. Now let's see what is information retrieval. It is a process of finding relevant information from large collections of data, like documents, databases, or even images, in response to a user's query. In simple terms, it is what happens every time you Google something. But in healthcare system, the data is more complex. It includes clinical records, radiology reports, lab results, and research articles and patient records. The goal of IR is to help users like doctors, nurses, or researchers quickly find the most relevant and reliable information to make informed decisions. Now let's see why IR matters in healthcare. So, healthcare generates massive amounts of data every single day. Doctors document every patient's visit and upload lab results. Researchers uh, publish their papers. The data is endless. The challenge is that much of information is unstructured. The meaning is it's written in a free text or scattered across the different systems. The traditional databases struggle to handle this type of the databases and this type of information. This is where IR systems come in. They index, search, and rank all this information, helping clinicians or researchers save time and improve accuracy in their words. Let's see about the applications of IR in healthcare system. Let's look at some key applications of IR in healthcare. The first it is clinical decision support, which means these tools help doctors make better decisions. For example, if a patient has rare symptoms, an IR system can retrieve it. In retrieve similar past cases or guidelines from medical literatures. The the second one is medical literature researchers. Tools like PubMed or Semantic Scholar allow researchers to find relevant articles on millions of studies. Electronic healthcare records. Hospitals use IBM Watson Health or ChatGPT style assistants. Sorry. Hospitals use IR systems to let clinicians search patients' histories. For example, all diabetic patients with abnormal ECG results. Questioning and answering systems. All AI systems like IBM Watson or ChatGPT style assistants use IR and NLP to answer natural language medical questions. And the other one is medical image retrievals. The radiologists can upload a chest x-rays and retrieve similar images to compare the results, helping faster and more accurate diagnosis. These are the examples shows how IR is integrated into daily healthcare workflows. Let's see the traditional IR techniques. Now let's talk about the techniques behind these systems. Traditional IR relies on keyboard-based research and mathematical models. There are two common ones. First one is TF-IDF, which means term frequency inverse document frequency. It measures how important a word is in a document related to all others. For example, in medical papers, diabetes might appear so often. So, TF-IDF helps rank documents where it's truly significant. And the other one is BM25, a ranking function that improves on TF-IDF by considering term saturation and document length. These methods are used in older but still effective tools like PubMed or Elasticsearch. However, traditional IR struggles with context. It treats words as isolated terms. Now let's see about modern AI powered IR. Modern IR systems go beyond keywords. They use artificial intelligence and natural language processing. For example, transformer-based models like BERT, BioBERT, and PubMed BERT understand medical context. If a doctor searches for heart attack treatment, these models understand related to myocardial infarction, even if the term is heart attack doesn't appear in the text. This ability to understand semantic meanings instead of just keywords has made retrieval more accurate and intelligent. Another trend is ontology-based retrieval, where systems use medical vocabularies like UMLS or SNOMED-CT to standardize terms, ensuring that searches like hypertension and high blood pressure return to the same results. Let's go on the demo. To demonstrate, let's look at a simple IR tool in healthcare, that is PubMed search. Suppose I want to search AI-based cancer diagnosis. I open PubMed and type phrase. The system retrieves thousands of results, each ranked by relevance, publication, date, and citation counts. PubMed uses BM25 style ranking and MESH, that means medical subject heading, a controlled vocabulary to link synonyms and improve search precision. This shows how even a public medical databases uses advanced IR concepts to make literature search more effective. Let's look at the challenges in healthcare system. You, Despite all the advantages, healthcare IR still faces significant challenges, that is data complexity and ambiguity. Even if we search for the cold has different contexts and different meanings. That means the cold, it is referred to illness or the temperature, and that is a great confusion for the system. And privacy and security. Patient data must comply with HIPAA and other privacy regulations. And there is much of the unstructured data. Most EHR data is written in free text, like doctor's notes, making it hard to process. And bias and fairness. AI-based IR systems must be carefully trained to avoid biased retrieval that could affect patient care. Now let's see the future of IR in healthcare systems. The future of IR in healthcare is very exciting. Where are some key directions? Integration with large language models, systems like ChatGPT and can combine retrieval with generations, known as retrieval augmented generation, to provide summarized answers backed by real medical sources. Personalized IR and multimodal retrieval. This combines the text, images, and sensor data, for example, linking ECG signals with the text records, and real-time decision support. Instant retrieval of relevant information during surgeries or emergency situations. And finally, let's go to the conclusion. Information retrieval in healthcare plays a crucial role in managing medical data efficiently. It helps clinicians make better decisions, support researchers, and ultimately improves the patient care. From early keyboard systems to AI powered semantic search, IR continues to evolve towards intelligence, personalized, and secure healthcare solutions. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much.